Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about the look that I am wearing in this video. Burgundy eyes and a red lip, and this makeup look is very affordable. Trust me guys, products are more usually under 200. If you like what you see so far, then please keep on watching and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's get started. So I'll start off with priming my face. I'm using Iba Halal's Aloe Aqua face and body gel, and I'll just apply it all over my face and some on my neck as well. Then I'm using Inveda BB cream and I'll apply it on my entire face and especially on my under eye because my under eye bags are showing up a lot these days. So yeah, just doing that, applying it all over my face with the help of my fingers. I needed a bit of more moisturization. My skin is behaving really weirdly. It's very dry, from super oily to super dry, so this gives an amazing moisturization as well. Taking a bit more on my under eye area to cover up my dark circles and then just blending it out with the help of my fingers. Then I'm taking this Himalaya baby powder, and with the help of these makeup brushes I'll be doing my makeup today. So I'm taking this large concealer brush and then applying baking under my eyes, also a bit on my nose, on the place where just below the place where my contour will be, on my chin, and a bit on my forehead. This will kind of give a highlight effect because I don't have a concealer to highlight all these areas. So yeah, just doing that. Now we'll move on to the eyes. So first we'll just powder them up so that my eyeshadows doesn't crease up. Then I'm taking this MUA blush, which is a beautiful peach color, and then with the help of this angled fluffy brush I'll apply it into my crease as a transition color. I'll keep on applying until I'm happy with it. This blush is amazing as a blush as well as a transition color. I've used it a lot of time as a transition color, so just applying it back and forth in the windshield motion again and again until I'm satisfied with it. Then I'm taking this Blue Heaven eyeshadow palette, and from that I'll take that burgundy color and then apply it all over my eyelids. I really like this palette for the pigmentation and not for the smell. It is very affordable, just 105 rupees for this whole lot of colors, and they're really amazingly pigmented. So what I like to do is just keep it open for some time and then use it so that the smell goes. I'll be applying it all over my eyelids, and you can see how amazingly pigmented those are. The red color is, I think, the most difficult to get that pigmented, and it works super amazingly on my eyelids. So just applying it all over my eyelids. Then I'll be using the same color and the same brush and smoke out my lower lash line as well. I'm taking this Mars eyeliner in purple color, which is of 20 rupees only, and I got it from a local store. You can get a set of 12 or 15 for like 250 rupees on Amazon, so these are really affordable guys. So I'm just lining my upper lash line, and also I will apply it on my waterline to give it a bit of pop of color. Burgundy and purple goes really good together. I'll also try to make a pseudo wing, which is not exactly a wing but gives a false effect of a wing. Then I'm taking that white color, which will act as a highlighter for my inner corners, on a pencil brush and highlight my inner corners. I'm taking this Lakme Perfect Radiance Compact in Ivory Fair and then just dust off my baking with the help of this. So yeah, this compact is also very affordable. It is, I guess, 140 rupees, which is like budget friendly. Then I'm taking this Blue Heaven Fashion Mascara, which I absolutely love because it's very affordable and gives amazing lashes, long lashes. This is just 125 rupees, so just applying it on my lower and upper lashes as well. Taking that white color and applying it on my brow bone to give it a bit of highlight. Same color on the nose and on my forehead and my chin as well to highlight them. Then I'm taking this ADS eyebrow pencil and just defining my eyebrows. This pencil is just 10 rupees and does the job pretty well. You have to, however, use it really light-handedly because it's black in color and you don't get a brown color. So yeah, taking this Blue Heaven blush in the shade 505, I will be using it to contour my cheeks and my nose. It's an amazing brown color which has a bit of warmth in it, so just using that to contour and then blending it out really nicely so that there are no harsh lines whatsoever. Then I'm taking this beautiful blush in pink color. I used it in my last video of full face of makeup under 100 and I said that it's not really nicely pigmented. Actually it is. The brush I used that day was actually very bad. You can see how gorgeously it is pigmented and it comes out on the skin really beautifully. So just using that on my cheeks to give it a bit of flush of color. Then I'm taking the same highlight color and using it on my cupid's bow, on my nose, on my cheeks. To highlight, I need to glow from within. It's a really subtle highlight with a chunks of glitter in it, so it works really nicely as highlighter. Using it all over wherever I need it, like cheeks, forehead, nose and chin and cupid's bow, everywhere wherever I need it. I'm also taking that brown color on my jawline to hide my double chins. You know guys, I need to do that. So yeah, then I'm taking the color Seven Heaven Color Intense lip color in red and pink, and then I applied the red one first because I thought it might just go with the whole look, so I applied the red color. These lipsticks are really amazing and they cost just 100 rupees and they are matte, so if you are some matte lover, these are for you. I did not like it, so I thought I'll just make it a bit glossy with the help of a Vaseline. So I applied some Vaseline, but all in vain. I wiped it off. Then I'm using the pink color and applying it on my lips, and I was not happy with this one as well, so I went over with the red one again and it made a beautiful orangish pinkish color. I liked it and I thought it is going with the look. You can however use a lighter shade or a darker shade as per your liking. Then I just sprayed some DIY rose water, which is like obviously very affordable because since you made it at home, and then just dabbed on my fingers onto my face so that it all seeps in. And with that we finished the makeup look. This is how it turned out to be. I hope you guys really liked it, and yeah, that's the eye makeup and this is how the lips look like. I really hope that you liked this video, and if you did so, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I shall see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye.